How to make money from a blog? How exactly do bloggers make money? That is what we are going to see in this post, in this video. So let me show you an example. This is something which people think that they cannot ever do. Okay, like say a small niche, small thing, something like gardening. Can you make money from gardening? Of course you can. Look at this. Okay, this is a blog about gardening, and they share posts about gardening. And what they are doing is, when people come looking for these posts, then see they link out to products. The products could be either in their own shop. See, they are selling these products from their own e-commerce shop, or what they do is they link out to products from other stores. There are other places, like you can sell products from Amazon, you can sell products on Share a Sale. Okay, there are other places. Now let's look at another blog. Okay, what they are doing. So in this one, uh, you come looking for, say, something about some particular plant, you're having a problem, you come to this website, and there's a lot of tips about that particular plant, again linking out to products. And another cool thing is linking out to workshops. So right now, most workshops are happening online. So you set a price and conduct these workshops either using Zoom, your Skype, or there are many online tools which you can use to set up workshops, one-on-one or one with a team. And so there are many ideas. And also most people also have another one, they add ads onto their website. So that is one way of earning. Another way of earning is, if somebody approaches you and say that, hey, you have a very nice website, can I put my advertisement on your website? So you can say, yes, I can give you this space on the top, and this is the cost per week, per month, whatever. You can set that price up. Another thing is, people come and say that, can I put a post on your website and leave one link in that, and this is that is called as a sponsored post. And what is your price? So you can say that, yes, we do sponsored posts, and this is the rate, and these are the number of links allowed. And that is one way of earning, especially when people start out. They start earning by putting sponsored posts and linking out to affiliate programs and stuff like that. Once they are really established, they stop many activities, because now they want everything to be inside their blog. So they might put workshops, they might put their own products, their own ebooks, sell books. So these are many ways you can make money from a blog.